work the other day, backed out of a rack. I drive a forklift, and I keep this bungee corded on one of the struts for the roof, and so happened to be skewed a little, and well, you could see I hit the rack with it. Well, this thing was no match. Pretty tough as it is. I mean, ain't too bad. Took a lot of beating already, but against a 4x4 steel rail, it had no choice. It had no chance. So what I'm going to try to do here is see if I can plastic weld this. Now I have a plastic welder that I'm not going to break out. One reason is because it requires an air compressor, which is this air compressor right here. My regulator valve is shitty on it. I put this together myself too. Just saying. I used the original one that was here. I need to get a new one. I can't adjust it down. It won't go any lower than what it is. And that needs, when you use, it's got through air all the time, and it only needs to be like whatever. You got to adjust it for what you're working with, but this is way too high. I do have another air compressor, but that means I'd have to cart it here and figure out a place to put it and plug it in. That's already stationed down front of the building where it's easy access. That's the one I fill tires with most of the time and do well, basically tire work with that, because it's right there. It's handy. I just go over, throw the switch, pull the cable out, or pull the cord out. Yeah, okay, pull the hose out and use it. This one's for stuff up here in the shop. So in lieu of me not using my plastic welder, I'm gonna go with the old style method of what I used to use. I'm gonna use a soldering iron, and to try to get these cracks in here, I got some steel wool here, but I also have, well, I did have, yes, some staples. I'm going to use some staples with some bridges across this and see how this goes. Let's see if I can get these to sink down in there and work nice to suture this thing together. I don't know, we'll find out. Plastic's iffy all the way around. There we go. There and there. Is that better? Okay, we'll see. Can you see what I'm doing? Bring you in. Maybe I get a shorter tripod and set you right on the shelf here with me, right on the desk. All right. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to try to push these together. And then sink these staples across as a bridge. Don't know if it's going to work. Never tried the staple thing before. Well, there's one. Now, 275 years from now, I might be done with this. Is it worth it? I don't know. Guess I'm bored. I'm going to bend this just a little bit so she sits down there a little better, so I can get at it like this. It doesn't matter. This is an old soldering iron, and I have, I don't know, 5 or 6 or 7 of these different kinds. Alright, well, I might as well just do this. It'd be really cool if I had a better pair of glasses for this. Yeah. That's going to be a project someday, too. I'm going to fix all these broken glasses, and this ain't even all of them. Let me go get some up-close glasses. I'll be back. That didn't take long. Now I can see. Let's see what we get here. A little closer, so maybe you can see what I'm doing. It's really simple. You know, it's just taking metal and basically heating it and sinking it into plastic. Wow. Maybe it ain't simple. Now, for that chunk that's blown out, oh, pardon me. Yeah, this ought to be like, oh, well, fun. Or is that a no? Yeah, that's probably a no. But we're going to try it anyway. Let that solidify. Now, I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're going to try her. Some steel wool. Do I want this to look new when I'm done? No, I don't care, because I work in a warehouse and shit gets banged around anyway. All I need it to be is just tough enough to do the job. That's it. About to put the finishing touches on this, I believe. Gonna seal this one up here at the top, and I guess I'll be done with this. I guess I'm gonna call this one good. It's in a whole lot better shape than it was. I mean, uh-oh, I can see light through that. Oh no. You see the light? Do you see the light? Yeah. Right there. And do I care? No. Little light back there in the corner too. All right, I'm going to call that good. Thanks for watching.